Hello all, welcome back to another session. So in this session, I'm going to explain how to create the GL master data. So here we have three ways to create the GL master data. One is manually. So if we have if we have one or two GL accounts, we can create the GL accounts manually by using the transaction code FS00. And if we have multiple GL accounts and we need to we are creating the first time, at that time we will be creating through LTMC or migrate your data Fury app. So where we will be downloading the template file and we'll fill the template file according to the business requirement and we'll upload it in the system, and then SAP will automatically create the multiple GL accounts at a time. And in the third way, so if we have GL accounts under one company code or one sort of account, we need to copy from one company code or one sort of account to another company code or another sort of account. We can use FS15 and FS16 transaction codes. So here I'm showing that both ways. So to create manually, to create a GL accounts manually, we need to use the transaction code FS00 here. So here, so just a second. So here, so while creating the GL account, we need to give the details in tab and description tab and control data tab and create bank interest tab. So if it is a reconciliation account, balance sheet account, we need to select the balance sheet account here, and the account group we need to select, and we need to give the short text and long text. And then in the controlling tab, we need to system will automatically fetch the company code currency based on the company code. If we need another currency, we need to update it manually. And then the reconciliation, if it is a reconciliation account, we need to select the relevant reconciliation account type, and then we need to give the sort key, and then click on create bank interest. Here we need to mention the field status group. It would be Z067 always when we are creating the this reconciliation account. So now if we go to company code 2010, so here system is saying specify an existing value. It means there is no GL account has been created for the company code 2010. Okay, so now how to create the GL accounts, I will show you here in the screen. Okay, so go to transaction code FS15 here. So just mention the GL accounts 1002 8999, and then mention your source company code 2008 is my source company code, or my source company code is 2009, we can say. And then I'm selecting this one, and click on file name here. You have to mention the file name, then click on execute. So here you can see the system has SAP has generated one file with this all this GL account data. Okay, now go back one more step back, and now use the transaction code FS16 here, hit enter, and now mention the file type CP2, and here you need to mention the target company code, and then remove this one and click on execute. Okay, SAP2 file already exists. Okay, oh sorry, we need to mention something else here, then click on execute here. File already exists. Why this is getting this error? Okay, list does not contain any data. Okay, one more step, go back, FS15 again, Company code is 2008, taking, and okay, I'm mentioning here 1234, the file name as 1234. Okay, then execute it. You're saying 1234 was generated, and now go back, more step back, FS16, hit enter, give the file name 1234, and the target company code is 2010, and then file another file is 33, and then click on execute. So here you can see we have 140 jail accounts have issues. Okay, and successfully created 110 entries has been successfully created. Okay, now go to transaction code SS00 and change the company code here 2010, hit enter. So here we can see for the 2010 company code, system has created a few GL accounts, and if you have some issues, we'll check those later. So that's all in this session. Thank you.